Hello, do you want to switch your phone's language on your Samsung device? It's super easy. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to change the language on your Android device. First, open Programs menu and tab on Settings icon. Or you can find it here in Notification menu. In Settings, swipe down to the end until you find General Management. Now you can see available languages. If your preferred language isn't listed, tap Add Language. Now you find a list of all languages available. Click on your language. Click on it again. Now set default. If your language isn't available here, go to Menu, All Languages for more choices. And that's it! Your Android is now set to your chosen language. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips.